Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog.
Lovely feeling that I wish would never go, but I know that just like the summer days, baby, your gaze is fleeting.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So yeah, this is like the start of a new vlog. I'm about going to school right now. I'm already fully dressed. So yeah, I'm about going to this is shaking. Come and say hi. Hi. Hey guys, this is my sister. You guys should know her. So yeah, we're ready to go to school, looking like snacks. Why is this light not focusing? Come. So we're ready to go to school. We're looking like I'm going to class right now. We're going to catch up when I'm back. I'll probably make something. Or maybe we're going to see tomorrow. I don't know, but bye guys. But just come and say bye. Bye.
Maybe this time I won't stand for way too long, and I hope I don't say something wrong.
Hey guys, so what's up? I just finished eating. I'm actually expecting my sister to be here like anytime soon, but she didn't return my calls. I called her like a couple of times and she didn't return, but I guess she'll come later. Yeah, so I just wanted to like tell you guys that I'm done eating and I want to have a nap.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
I'll take you through the journey in school and you all will see everything. Unipos is not for the weak actually. But how do you guys see my hair? I just trimmed it. Shebi is looking short. You see now. Okay guys, let's see you later in school. No, it's at your house.
Save my soul. And don't like 10 toes in my bankroll. Why you running away from me?
school. I have classes this afternoon. Yeah, I have classes, so I'm about leaving. I'm still getting ready though. Yeah, just a few more things and I'll be done. Scent of the day. Look, I have a pen here, so this is my pen and my money.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
So guys, yeah, I'm off to school. I'm already late, guys.
I can show you, but I can guarantee you look at me and see that I'm the type of girl you're not really that used to. I'm only gonna give it to you honestly. I know this ride's taking some time, but I know I'll be okay.
Blue, orange, red, and pink. Pink.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Thank you for getting me in.
Yes.